This position can be one of the fastest ways to reduce knee pain in hockey players, but only if you're doing it for the right reason. And most hockey players miss the most important piece. The knees bend thousands of times during a game. For the knees to bend smoothly without pain, fluid inside the knee needs to be distributed properly. When the knee bends from a locked out position, the fluid of the joint moves from the back to the front of the knee. When the knee straightens again, fluid shifts back the other way. If the fluid in the knee can't move well, the knee can't properly and smoothly change shape, starting to feel stiff, cranky, painful, and sticky. Placing a towel behind the knee is a good strategy to bias fluid to move towards the front of the knee. But here's the part that people miss. For the knee to bend properly, what has to happen is the shin bone needs to move internally. This is non-negotiable since the shin bone, when locking out the knee, has to move outwards. That's why a towel drill alone may only temporarily help the knee. Before deep knee bending, we have to teach the shin bone how to move properly again. Sit on a bench or a table, having your heel making contact with the floor. Slowly rotate your shin inwards and outwards against the floor. This is just going to prime your rotational movement of your shin. Now dig your heel gently into the ground and try to pull the leg backwards towards yourself without letting the leg actually move. What you should feel is your hamstrings activate. Now maintain this hamstring tension as you continuously rotate your foot inwards and outwards. This teaches your shin to access internal rotation with muscular control. Now what you can do is let the foot hang off the bench. Slightly bring your foot towards your shin, also known as dorsiflexion. This puts our shin biasly into more internal rotation. Have a thick towel rolled up in between your thigh and your calf. Over time, you can reduce the thickness of the towel as your knee tolerates deeper bending. Before skating, do both of these exercises for about 40 seconds per piece.